Hello, this is Wali Rahim. I'm going to show you how to fold a towel and a washcloth. These are the basic steps of folding. Number one is place towel or item on a flat surface. That's what I'm attempting to do right here. So flatten it out. Make sure your corners. And then step two, fold edges of towel lengthwise and half towards center. That's where I'm put towards match the edges up. And then step three is fold towel corners in half again. So take it and fold it this way. Now, if it's a beach towel, you can always fold it, or an oversized towel, you can always fold it a quarter again and make it. So this is ideally the size right here. Then you can put it away. Then if you have a washcloth, same principles. Fold it flat. Then you do a half and then a quarter. And this is the ideal size. After you get done with this, you can put away.